Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the cute little card we're making today. I hope you like it. So let's get started. Sorry about the glare. We've got a really lovely sunny day here in Lincoln today. So the stamps that I'm going to use is an all-time favourite of mine, a little lace, and I've used it a ton of times and it's just beautiful. Really gorgeous set, as you can see. So let's get started. I have things set up on my Stamparatus. I've got this border bit set up. I'm going to stamp this with some Mango Melody. So just like that. And then I'm just going to flip my piece of paper and I'm going to stamp it again. Just like that. Okay, I'm just trying to find a position where I don't get so much glare, which is not easy. Anyway, that'll do. Okay, so where's our Stampin' chamois? We're going to use that to clean up. Okay. And then we're going to start with our focal image, which is this piece here. So let's move this into the corner now. I'm basically going to put this wherever I want, which is roughly sort of there. And then I'm going to stamp this one in Pumpkin Pie. I'll stamp that. Okay, so now we've got that image down. And then take that off, put that away. So we're using quite a few images from this set. And then we're going to use this little one here in the corner, like that, and pick this up with our lid. And I think we're going to stamp this one in Mango Melody. Just give it a good press down, like that. And then all I'm going to do is swap the corners around, ink it up again, like that. Oh, I stamped those few little pieces. It didn't catch it on the camera, I'm sorry about that. Covered in ink as well. But anyway, so now I'm going to fill in just with this last little piece here. This little one here, and I'm going to use just some Mango Melody quickly. Don't think about this too much, just go for it. Actually going to go along the bottom here as well. I didn't on the other one, but I think it could be nice. Like that. And it's good to come off the page a bit. Like that. Okay, so set that aside. Close up this ink pad at least before we have a disaster. Set that aside. I'm going to bring in this again, and this little one that says just a little note to say hello. And we are going to need our thingamajig again. Our Stamparatus, and just a scrap piece of Whisper White. And I'm just going to stamp this, and I'm going to ink it up with pumpkin pie rather. There we go. And let's give everything a clean, because this yellow pigment is getting everywhere, orangey yellow. Okay, so now we're just going to cut that out freehand. So put that out the way there. Ooh, I haven't closed up my ink pad. Must do that, otherwise I know me, I'll set something in it. So get our trimmer out. Here it is, and we're just going to cut this out quite close to the image. You can see I'm just going at it freehand, and like here, if I just want it to stick down, just use a piece of post-it note tape, and that will hold it all in position. I just want to get rid of a little bit more on this side. Yeah, perfect. So get rid of those pieces. I've got a scrap here of pumpkin pie. I'm going to stick my sentiment down to it using some snail. Just here in the corner. I've got snail everywhere, so it just rubs off, you don't need to worry. And I'm actually going to cut that out freehand because I'm feeling lazy today. Okay, so to cut it out freehand, all I'm going to do is just take away some of the excess like this. Nice sharp scissors, nice long blade, makes it easier to chop something freehand just like that. Okay, so let's get started on assembling everything. So our card base is also pumpkin pie, and this is a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then we're going to stick down our piece of Whisper White. And I don't know if I mentioned this was 14.35 centimeters by 10. I'm just going to plonk this on top here. And then we have here our sentiment. We're going to put this on some dimensionals if I can find it. Here we go. I'm just going to use some of the side here of the dimensionals, the edges I should say. Make it easy. And the right way up is always useful. I'm just going to put that there. And then I've got here some of these. These are our elegant faceted gems. And I'm just going to use some of these in these centres. And then I want an uneven number, so where shall I put this one? I'm going to put it just there. Okay, so they're the two cards. What do you think? Love it? Hate it? Let me know in the description box below. If you liked it, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, etc., it will be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!